altruism now. Sometimes members of the same species compete for resources, and the better competitors will pass their genes onto their offspring. Now, altruism is a behavior which is disadvantageous to a donor, which may suffer decreased fitness as a result, but beneficial to the recipient, which will have increased fitness. In reciprocal altruism, altruistic behavior in which the donor and recipient alternate or trade places, and this suits individuals to remember those involved in the relationship, as it may be prone to cheats. For example, in vampire bats, those animals that hunt successfully regurgitate blood for those who have displayed altruism to them in the past, but on this occasion have been unsuccessful in hunting. Here, the benefit to the recipient outweighs the cost to the donor. In this case, in this model here, the greatest mutual benefit is when bat A and both bat B will share their food with another that has been unsuccessful in hunting. This is very similar to the prisoner's dilemma, in which if both trust each other, it's the best possible mutual outcome, but not the best personal outcome. Kin selection. This is a form of altruism in which an individual decreases its own fitness in favour of the survival of close relatives. And the cost of the individual would be offset by the increased chance of the altruistic gene being passed on through the reproduction of offspring by its relatives. In terms of the coefficient of relatedness, this refers to the number of genes in common between relatives, and individuals which are altruistic towards other close relatives, they will benefit through the passing on of shared genes. If we look at kin selection in social insects now, workers in beehives, they have a limited reproductive contribution. In beehives, there's a great division of labour, there's few reproductive individuals, and the work is carried out by other sterile close relatives. They are the worker bees. Now, the queen and the workers are female, the drones are male, and mate with the queen to make the workers. In bees, just the queens and the drones contribute reproductively. Most members of the colony are the sterile workers who cooperate with close relatives to raise other relatives. The workers' roles include defending the hive, collecting pollen, and carrying out waggle dances to show the distance and direction of food. In this way, the sterile workers raise relatives to increase the survival of shared genes. We also see kin selection taking place in other social insects such as ants, termites, and wasps.